How to save a snap on Snapchat. Hello and welcome back to our official help desk. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can save a snap to your camera roll. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your Snapchat and make sure that you are logged into your Snapchat account. Now go onto your chats icon on your bottom left. Here tap on any snap that you would like to save and tap on this download icon on your bottom right. As you do so, you will get a notification that this snap has been saved in chat. Now open the chat. Also be noted that you will only be able to save a snap if it has been set to infinite by the one who has sent this snap to you. Now long tap onto it, then you will see an option that says save to camera roll. Tap onto it, and just like so, this is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.